Hello to everyone from Rade Garage. Today we would like to introduce you the GasGas 700 that belongs to the popular family of KTM 690 and Husqvarna 701 that we ride a lot and we like a lot, mainly because of its universality. You can have a lot of fun riding, for instance, the Hellas Rally or the Hispania Rally with it, but you can also take some luggage with you and you can enjoy the great BDR roads in US or the popular TED projects here in Europe. Or you can do big distance traveling in South Africa, for instance. We wanted to push this bike even farther, so we prepared several independent kits to make this bike even more convenient for the adventure riding and for the hobby rally riding. The heavy-duty skid plate from Rade Garage gives you great protection, and not only of the engine, and very practical storage box on top. This skid plate fits to KTM 690, Husqvarna 701 as well as to GasGas 700. The main objective of this skid plate is the engine protection, and it was the main parameter also for us, but not the only one. We use 3.5 mm thick wall, which is a little bit less than competition, but we are getting better than competition because we are well shaping the skid plate, which increased its stiffness, and further is reinforced with very nice handmade weldings. When you look at it from the front, there is one wall, and here is a double wall. So actually it's almost impossible. Anything can happen to the engine from the front. And we push the protection capability even further. We made it a little bit wider, but of course not more than the motorbike itself. It's still respecting the width of the motorbike as such, but this giving extra protection to your gear lever and the brake lever, which is also very convenient when having some crash in hard terrain. And on top of it, you get in a pack also the cover of the rear brake cylinder. A very unique and practical feature of the Rade Garage skid plate is incorporated toolbox. Here you can see the cover and two bolts that are able to open with your motorcycle gloves or with something you have in your pocket, like a coin you can put here or the keys. Now you lift it up, and put it away. Here you can see the mesh that's making sure that the water don't get inside the toolbox. We did a lot of riding over the water crossings in the rain, and the things inside stay dry. Even if you use the water gun, it's still remaining dry inside. So we can say it's a splash proof. The toolbox, even it doesn't look like, has a volume of 4 liters, which ensures you can fit in there a lot of useful things that it's good to have with you, but you don't need them every day. Let's have a look. Here is a spare foam filter, for instance, dust cover, tire levers, tools, and spare tube. And we believe if you play a little bit with that, you can fit there even more. The heavy-duty skid plate from Rade Garage with integrated toolbox is giving you several extra practical features that makes it very convenient for adventure and rally riding. If you like it, please order on our e-shop.